Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this session I will show you a simple solution for a problem that I have encountered with Odoo. Like you can see here, I had an account with Odoo and I worked on my database for my business. And shortly afterwards I have downloaded a backup of the database and I wanted to install it on my own server. And like you can see here, when I try to restore the database, I got always this error here up there. Could not get content for SAS trial, static CSS, etc. I tried different type of solution. I even searched the internet, searched different forums, and I found some solution, but some of them I didn't want to try them because it was about like to change the database or to do some very complex stuff, and I didn't want to do it. And so I discovered this solution quite accidentally when I was working on my database. I found a very simple solution for this. So, first step, if you want now to get rid of this message, we need first to enable for our user the technical features. So we go to users, to our main user, to the admin, and here in the lower part, technical features, it needs to be enabled. And then save. So now when we update the whole Odoo backend, we should have now more options here. At the top, on the left side, where our modules are. And in the next step, we need now to clear this, because it's not an app. What we need first is to install this missing SAS trial. So we look up for trial, and here we have, it's not installed on the normal Odoo installation, it's not installed. So we install it now. What happened in the cloud solution from Odoo, I believe that something went wrong with this module, that it is installed on the SAS version of Odoo, but not in the normal version of Odoo. So this is why I believe it's now missing. So I think there are some data entries in the database who don't belong there. So with this installation, we put it back, everything, we installed everything properly, and in the next step, we need to get rid of it. So we go into the next step here in this area, users, now general settings, here. We go into the middle, general setting, and we need now, in the first step, in the area of authentication, we need to disable this checkbox. Use external authentication providers. Sign in with Google, Facebook, etc. We need to disable this first. And now we get this warning and this message. What means that in the next step, if we save it and apply the changes, Odoo will uninstall the following modules who are not needed anymore, because this authentication feature was disabled by me, so these modules are not necessary anymore. So it will also uninstall this SAS trial module, and this is what we want, that it get rid of it proper on the proper wise. So we press on OK, and now in the next step we apply. So waiting a little bit that everything runs properly. So, and here we are. The perfect solution. Now it's gone. Now if you still need this feature authentication over Google, Facebook, etc., you should enable it. The problem will not appear again. So you can now enable it and apply. It will install back everything what you need for it. But you will not have this SAS trial problem anymore. So let's apply the changes. So here we go. Now it's possible. It's possible again to use it. So your Odoo versions should now work without problem in this area. So, if you like this easy solution, please subscribe to my newsletters and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much and see you in our next tutorial.